the Mighty Nest it's from. Subscription is how much?
Well, this is 15.
Coupon code gave her $3 off.
No,
it made her $3. The subscription. So it's from Mighty Nest. And let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Let's see. Mighty Nest. Simple choices, mighty impact. So I guess they're all about the environment and saving it, and which I'm totally about. So Beeswax Foods wrap. Really? So I'm assuming that they sent, this is $3, mind you. So what they sent is Beeswax food wrap. So food wrapping for either sandwiches or some kind of lunch rolls or something. But I'm not gonna open these because they're for you to wrap your food in. But that's what they sent. It's large wraps. It says 13 inches by 14 inches. It says natural alternative to plastic wrap. Wrap cheese, half a melon, cabbage, bread, or cover a bowl.
So are they reusable?
You seal with a warmth of your hands. Store food naturally. Keep away from heat. It says washable. So they are washable. Organic. It says beeswax, organic cloth, tree raisin, and organic jojoba oil. So they are washable.
Let's take one out.
It says. I mean, it's kind of cool. I mean, I'm not sure of how I would. Oh wow, they feel really weird. I don't want to put all my hands on all of them. They are in there.
Just take out one.
I'm gonna try to. Oh, I think maybe it is only one. I am not sure about this. So I do believe it's only one wrap. Oh no. I guess different size wraps. So you get 2 different size wraps. And they're washable. So the material feels really weird. Kind of like they do smell like honey though. Really, it smells really good. Like, that's like, I wish they had a candle of this. But I'm sure they probably do. But it has like a sticky kind of consistency. Not sure if this is kind of for me. I mean, I kind of like just to grab a go. But, I mean, I don't know. 2 beeswax wraps. I don't know if this is maybe just like a entry box. That's kind of disappointing. I mean, I would think that there at least be 1 or 2 items in here. I mean, 2 or 3 items in here at least. I'm not so sure about that. So yeah, I mean, if this is something you're into, I mean, environment, save the planet, I'm so for it. But I think for this is a no for me. You know, let us know down in the comments if you got anything else maybe from this company. If you like their boxes, maybe it's just the entry box. I don't know. Maybe
it says it replaces 3 to 6
rolls of plastic cleaning wrap. So saran wrap.
So I guess if you can really reuse it,
yeah,
it could be a good idea if you use a lot of saran wrap.
Yeah, I mean it would be, I guess.
We should, you know what? We should try it and do an update from.
Yeah, we can. This is durable. It says wash and reuse up to a year, so
Really?
that's not bad. It's
Up to a year?
Yeah, it's 100% non-toxic. Resists air and moisture, so maybe it keeps your produce longer. So if you're chopping produce up and you decide to not use the whole pepper and you wrap it in here, maybe it will help from getting rotten faster. It says it fights germs and keeps food fresh, so there you go. Handmade with renewable, biodegradable materials. So it's kind of cool. I mean, I've never even seen these. I never even knew that these were out there. So it's kind of cool to try. I mean, for $3, you can't go wrong. I mean, hey, let us know, like, share, let us know in the comments down below what you think about this. And if you've received any of their boxes in the past, let us know. All right, bye.